The Adventures of Tom and Lisa. Tom and Lisa had just returned from their summer vacation. They had a lot of stories to share with their friends. One afternoon, they decided to tell everyone about their most exciting adventure. "We went hiking in the mountains," Tom said. Everyone listened carefully as Tom spoke. Lisa added, "It was the highest mountain we had ever climbed." Their friend James asked, "Did you see any wild animals?" Tom replied that they had seen a bear from a distance. "The bear was huge," he explained. "But it didn't come near us." Lisa continued, saying that the weather had been perfect for hiking. "The sky was clear, and the view from the top was amazing," she said. Another friend, Sarah, wanted to know if they had taken any photos. Lisa answered that they had taken lots of pictures and promised to show them later. Tom mentioned that they had also met other hikers on the way. "One of them was a professional climber," he said. "He gave us some great tips." Lisa told everyone that the trip had been a great experience and that they planned to go hiking again next summer. As their friends listened to the story, they felt like they were part of the adventure too. Tom and Lisa's excitement was contagious, and everyone thanked them for sharing their wonderful journey.